There's a lot of talk, I guess, about 24/7 instant settlement on chain, but that is not the way that the market currently works from a tokenized assets standpoint. And it's because there are a number of friction points. It's because there's missing infrastructure. In my view, as we actually deliver more of that kind of instant convertibilities slash DVP transactability between stablecoins and tokenized assets, we're very quickly going to see a much broader range of tokenized assets come to market. And it's not because there's demand for an asset in token form per se. It's because the flow of being able to instantly move from cash equivalent in the form of a stablecoin, or ultimately, tokenized deposit, whichever the way the market ends up going, and an investment product instantly with zero counterparty risk, zero settlement risk. That, I think, is what ultimately will really unlock the demand for investment assets in token form and really unlock the floodgates.